live.
Hi everyone, I'm back again. I'm so sorry for that technical issue, but I'm glad that we're all now back here. So let me just repeat what I said before. GPC community, let me share something exciting. Ano nga ba ang bago sa GPC ngayong January? Simple lang, hindi mo na kailangang maghintay ng isang buwan para manalo. Mas mabilis na ang rewards, mas malinaw na ang opportunities. Starting this January, every Thursday at 12:30 p.m., may weekly giveaway tayo. At every Friday naman at 12:30 p.m., may top referrer cash reward. So yes, weekly chances to win plus steady opportunities if you choose to share. If this excites you, comment ready ngayon. Before I explain what GPC really is, let me address something important. Calmly and clearly. Ang GPC ay hindi multi-level marketing. Hindi ito MLM. Hindi networking, hindi pyramid scheme. Walang downline, walang upline, walang pilitan, walang hierarchy. You are never required to invite anyone. This platform is built on choice and not on pressure. So ano ba talaga ang Ginto Privilege Club? GPC is a membership platform. As a member, you already get value. Exclusive discounts, partner brand perks, may app-only rewards at weekly giveaways. So kahit member ka lang, may value na agad. Now, if you want to earn more, may optional program tayo called Refer and Rise. Optional siya ha, hindi required. Bonus lang siya, hindi obligation. Now guys, let me explain Refer and Rise in the simplest way possible. First, you become a GPC member. Inside the app, may sarili kang referral link. You share it with people you personally know. And when they join using your referral code and they stay active, you earn monthly rewards. Important to remember lang ha, direct referrals lang siya. One level only, walang kita sa referrals ng referrals mo, hindi rin ito team building. This is simply GPC saying thank you to members who choose to share. Ang maganda pa dito, ikaw ang may control. Ang kaibigan mo, may iba't ibang membership options na pwede nilang pagpipilian, depende kung alin ang bagay sa kanila. Ang membership options natin ay tatlo. Yung first is basic, 240 pesos per month siya. Yung elite, 480 pesos per month at yung royal naman is 812 pesos. Yung referral commission income naman natin will be, kung basic, ang makikita mo is 18 pesos per month per person. Yung elite naman, 37 pesos per month per person at ang royal is 74 pesos. And again, monthly ito at makikita mo lahat real time sa app mo. Walang tinatago, very transparent. And now let me give you a very realistic example. Kung for example, elite member ka, ito ay 480 pesos per month ang membership fee mo. If over time, naka-refer ka ng around, let's say, 11 elite members, 37 pesos yung referral income mo times 11 friends, so equals halos 407 pesos per month ang kita mo. Meaning, halos bawi ka na. Dagdag ka lang ng isa o dalawa, may kita ka na buwan-buwan. Hindi mo kailangan ng marami. Small circle lang. People you trust. And imagine this. May weekly giveaways pa, may cash rewards, may exclusive discounts, and may platform ka pa for extra income. Lahat yan nasa isang app. Kung sapat na ang referral rewards mo para sa membership mo, halos libre ng lahat ng benefits mo. Now, let's look at the bigger picture here, slowly over time. If eventually nakapag-refer ka ng 100 elite members, so 37 pesos times 100 friends equals 3,700 pesos per month. Hindi to overnight, guys, pero this is consistent. May pang bills, pang grocery, extra ipon, extra ginhawa. So kahit maliit ang simula, may epekto talaga. And for those na mas active mag-share, may extra reward pa. Every Friday, may 5,000 pesos cash para sa top referrer of the week. And again, direct referrals lang siya. Verified, announced live. I just want to give you a quick reminder lang. Malapit na matapos ang live natin. I know this is only short, guys. So reminder lang, ha? Ang 10,000 pesos cash draw is only for those who register habang live tayo ngayon. So register ka na. No pressure ha, pero pag natapos ang live, sarado na. And I think it's about time, guys, to announce our 40,000 pesos golden giveaway winner. I think now is the moment we've been waiting for. Now, our 40,000 pesos golden giveaway winner of the week is... Run the draw, please. John Christopher G. Congratulations! John Christopher G, if you are watching right now, tatawagin ka namin live. So please, sagutin mo ang tawag ko. And to all our viewers out there, please comment, "Congrats, Christopher." Alright, habang tinatawagan po natin ang ating winner, let me remind everyone watching. This is all done live. We give our winners enough time to answer because we respect that not everyone can pick up immediately. Walang minamadali, walang daya, walang palitan ng pangalan. Kung ikaw ang winner, we will wait for you. And just to be very clear for our community, kapag hindi po nasagot ang call, we follow a clear and fair process. Multiple attempts, proper verification, at lahat documented yan. Hindi po ito palakasan. Hindi po ito paunahan ng comment. It's about following the rules. Equally for everyone. So habang naghihintay tayo, comment nyo lang live kung nanonood po kayo ngayon. We see you and we appreciate you staying with us. I think we're still trying to connect with our winner. So habang naghihintay tayo for our winner to answer, John Christopher, please answer. Comment nyo nga kung sa baba, kung ano ang gagawin nyo kung kayo ang mananalo ng 40,000 pesos today. Pang-emergency fund ba? Pang-family ba? Pang-business ba? Pang-ipon ba? This is exactly why we do this live. para real, malinaw at ramdam ng lahat. And alam niyo po ba ang GPC ginawa talaga para sa real life? Pang-araw-araw na gastos, hindi lang pang one-time win. So kahit hindi ka manalo today, may value pa rin ang membership mo dahil araw-araw pwede kang mag-save gamit ang GPC discounts and perks. So whether coffee date, salon day, gym, travel, or family needs, may partner si GPC para dyan. John Christopher, sumagot ka na! We're still trying to connect with John Christopher. So minsan, hindi ka manalo sa giveaway, sa GPC, panalo ka pa rin sa buhay kapag marunong kang mag-save. At yan ang ginagawa ng GPC. Binabalik sa iyo ang value ng membership mo. And guys, quick reminder lang ha, ang GPC, hindi lang to about winning prizes ha. This is about saving money every single day. So kahit hindi ka manalo today, may value pa rin ang membership mo. Dahil araw-araw, pwede kang mag-save gamit ang GPC discounts and perks. Imagine kumakain ka, nagpapaganda, nag-aalaga ng pets, nagta-travel. Lahat yan may discounts kapag GPC member ka. John Christopher, we're still trying to connect with you, so please answer our call. Yung iba nating members, guys, nabawi na agad ang membership fee nila sa discounts pa lang. So, imagine kung member ka na ngayon. Habang nanunood ka, nagagamit mo na agad ang perks. So, habang hinihintay natin sumagot si John Christopher, tandaan nyo, every week, may chance manalo. Pero every day, may chance mag-save. Okay, let's see. Andyan na ba si John Christopher? Is John Christopher answering the phone? Okay, one more moment, guys. One more moment. We're still trying to connect with John Christopher. Again, thank you for your patience. Transparency takes a little time, and we choose transparency over rushing. Right. Unfortunately, guys, we can't connect with Christopher. Just to update you, live tayo, but we have successfully drawn and confirmed our winner. Unfortunately, we are unable to reach John Christopher at this moment. I want to be very clear for everyone watching. This is a live draw. This is a live phone call. No edits, no retakes, no second calls. Everything you are seeing right now is happening in real time. And according to Ginto Privilege Club's official process, if a winner cannot be reached during the live call, the win is officially documented. The account is fully verified, and our team will contact the winner directly. We will reach out using the registered mobile number and the registered email address inside their GPC account. So, to be very clear, the prize is secured. The winner does not lose their win, and everything follows our standard transparent process. We will post an official update once the winner has been contacted and verified. Thank you for your patience, guys, and thank you for trusting Ginto Privilege Club. And I think it's now time to announce our 10,000 prize winner. Just to be very clear lang ha, one winner lang ang idodraw natin at ang eligible dito ay exclusive para sa mga nag-register habang live tayo ngayon. So, para lang to ha, for those who joined today's 20-minute live stream, this is our extra surprise for you today. Habang drino-draw naman natin ang winner guys, quick reminder lang. Kapag ikaw ay isang GPC member, kahit hindi ka manalo sa weekly giveaway, panalo ka pa rin dahil sa discounts and perks mula sa ating partner brands. Sa food and beverage, meron tayong Bonitas Cafe, Binalot Grill, Buko Juan at marami pang iba. Guys, sino ba dito mahilig sa snacks? Comment nga kayo. Kasi yung Quack Snacks may 30% discount for GPC members. At hindi pa tapos, may 20% off sa Tokinori products. Exclusive to ha, GPC lang ay ang may ganitong deals. Sa beauty and personal care naman, ang dami rin. Nail cocktails, California nails, massage, Stelton Dermascience, Lago Aesthetics, Slimmers World Face and Skin Clinic, Versa Aesthetics, and so much more. Yung My Natural Home Spray has a really good deal right now for our GPC members. So check it out, guys. So mahilig ka bang mag-travel? Cover din yan. May discounts and perks tayo sa Lands Air Tours and Travel. Meron din sa Casa Amelia, Uptown Breeze Inn, House of Mana, Stay Malate at Sequoia Hotel. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating health and wellness category. Merong Vida Yoga, Slimmers World Gym, My Natural, Pampers City at may dental care pa tayo with MFS Dental Care. Para naman sa ating mga fur parents dyan. Yes! Kasama rin kayo. You can enjoy perks at Animal Nature and Petty Natural Pet Care. And sa mga parents naman, may discounts din from Orange and Peach at Iona. Even trades and services, covered din yan ng Ginto Privilege Club. We have Spacey Design Manila, Akio Car Wash Service, at Delta D Solar. And guys, take note ha, ilan lang yan sa napakaraming partner brands ng GPC. So kahit hindi ka manalo ngayong linggo, may value pa rin ang membership mo. Dahil araw-araw, pwede kang mag-save gamit ang GPC discounts and perks. I just also want to welcome our newest partner brands ng Ginto Privilege Club. First is Lands Air Tours and Travel in our Travel and Experiences category, providing amazing tour packages you will enjoy. Buko Juan in our Food and Beverage category, bringing fresh, coconut-inspired refreshments that celebrate authentic Filipino flavors and tropical indulgences in every sip. Spacey Design Manila in Trades and Services, specialists in custom signage, fabrication, and construction, delivering innovative, high-quality solutions that bring brands and spaces to life with precision and creativity. Bonitas Cafe naman in our food and beverage category, a warm and inviting cafe experience offering comforting meals and cozy space to relax and connect. Everyone, we are so proud to collaborate with these outstanding brands as we continue to expand the Golden Circle across lifestyle, dining, travel, wellness, and so much more. All right, I think it's about time to announce our winner. Ang nanalo ng 10,000 pesos among all the people who registered with GPC during the live stream. The winner is, run the draw please, Francisco Arnaiz. Congratulations! Congratulations, Francisco Arnaiz! I know you are watching right now kasi nag-register ka to be a GPC member during this live stream. We are dialing you right now, so please answer the phone call. To all our viewers dyan, we are just waiting for the call to connect. This is live, this is real, and we allow proper time for our winner to answer. Thank you for your patience. This is exactly why we do everything live. Walang edits, walang cuts. You're seeing the real process exactly as it happens. We wait because this is real money and real people. While waiting for the call to connect, I just want to highlight some of the exciting deals ng aming partner brands. Oh, I think andito na si Francisco Arnaiz. Hello, Francisco. How are you po?
Hello, kamusta po?
Yeah, ako po si Miss Ginto ng Ginto Privilege Club. Ito ba si Francisco?
Opo.
First and foremost, thank you for registering sa GPC during this live stream. And congratulations! So sa lahat ng nag-register sa
Thank you po.
GPC during live, ikaw ang swerteng nanalo ng 10,000 pesos cash prize. Ano po ba ang masasabi mo, Francisco?
Siguro na, tiyempong pagka-register, nanalo.
Oh, that's good. So you are currently live sa GPC Golden Thursday ngayon, Francisco. May I ask po, taga saan po ba kayo? Saan kayo nanonood ngayon?
Sa Pampanga.
Pampanga, salamat po. Nakakatuwang marinig na may nanonood from Pampanga. I am so grateful that our GPC community is definitely growing. Francisco, I just want to ask lang po, paano and saan niyo po ba narinig ang GPC?
Sa mga pamangking ko, tapos sa Facebook.
Oh, that's good. That's good. And paano po ba kayo nakapag-desisyon na mag-join sa GPC? Oh, paano ba
Sa
kayo...
mga pamangking ko lang, sinasabi nila, mas maganda raw kasi may mga discounts, ganun.
Oh, that's good. At salamat at nagtiwala ka. Paano po niyo ba gagamitin ang 10,000 prize money niyo po?
Pabili ng gamot.
Oh, I'm so glad that we can help you with that goal. Para sa mga nanonood ngayon at nag-iisip na mag-register, Francisco, ano ang masasabi niyo sa kanila na ngayong naranasan niyo ito first hand? Sa hindi pa nakapag-register, ano pong masasabi niyo?
Mag-join lang sila sa Ginto Privilege Club.
Oh.
Ano nila yung mga perks.
At saka manalo rin kagaya ng na-experience mo ngayon, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi weekly na yung giveaway natin.
Opo.
Sige, maraming salamat po, Francisco, at congratulations ulit sa inyong 10,000
Salamat
cash
po.
prize. So, we will send you an official email with the simple steps on how to claim yung prize money niyo po. So, have a wonderful day po.
Salamat po.
All right, everyone. Again, congratulations to our 40,000 pesos winner, John Christopher, and our 10,000 pesos winner, Francisco Arnaiz. To everyone watching, GPC is not about hype. It's about clarity, consistency, and giving people options. Join when it feels right, share when you're ready, grow at your own pace. See you tomorrow, Friday at 12:30 p.m. for our top referrer announcement. And next Thursday, same time, don't forget to turn on your alarm for GPC Golden Thursday Live. Thank you so much for your time with Ginto Privilege Club. Live golden, enjoy more. Thank you, everyone. Bye!